In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook page in 2025. My name is Paul Chinedu and I help business owners to make more sales in their business using Facebook advert and Instagram ad. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can create a Facebook page on Facebook. The very first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook profile. Once you are in your Facebook profile, locate these pages here. So click on pages. Let's click on create a new page. Of course, they're going to give you option. Do you want to create a profile page or do you want to create a public page? Please just go with public, not a personal profile. And I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on get started. And it's going to ask me to put in the page name so I can use something, anything that I like. For instance, Paul is teaching. Then advertising and marketing. And then I can decide to put my bio here. So let me put my bio here. Something like this, just a very short bio. I help business owners make more sales with Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so you just put in your bio as simple as short, then you click on create a page. So immediately my page is already created, though sometimes you might encounter some technical glitches here. So if that is the case, you can just keep on trying while making sure that you change your network from time to time. So it can actually be a network problem. Let me show you the page that we just created. Okay, let me show you the page. It's this particular one. Paul is teaching. So this is the page. We can decide to switch, and then I will just show you a few things. Like when you are creating a page, you want to use it to run ad, there are a few things you must actually do. Like you cannot be running advert without a profile picture. You have to just, insert a profile picture on the page. Okay. You cannot be running advert without a cover photo, because when people check out your page, it will look like you don't know what you are doing. So please take out some time and insert a profile picture here, and then insert a cover photo. To insert a profile picture, just click on this link, on this button. You click on upload, click on upload photo, and then it takes you to your laptop. For instance, I can use this one. Just select a particular picture that you want to use as the profile picture, and make sure that you actually have a profile picture on that page. It is very important. You don't just create a page and you use the page without you're going to look like you're not serious with your business. So every single brand that is out there understand the concept of branding. Every week they are making posts on their Facebook page, but you don't have a post. They are not even using a page that does not have a profile picture to run adverts. That is not the right way to do it. So I'm going to click on save. Quickly, I'm going to click save, and then we are going to see if we can add our cover photo. So upload photo. Let's still use something like that, but on your own case, you have to choose what you actually need. This is just for example. I can always change it later on. All right, so we can now drag and keep what we are looking for, and then we click save changes. Okay, so this is the simple step of creating Facebook page in 2025. If you are looking to create a Facebook page, make sure you watch this video again to understand the concept so that you can create your Facebook page easily. I hope you find this helpful, and if you want to learn more on Facebook adverts, make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch more videos that will show you how to run ad that convert. So until I come your way next time, take care.